Hey there, Greg Marchand here again. What are the benefits of offering employee incentives? Look, employees really need certain things. They need autonomy. They need to be able to make their own decisions. They need recognition. They need to feel like they're growing. They need to feel like they're a part of a bigger whole. All these things. And incentives can actually help that. Now, you don't have to reward them with cash necessarily, but you can call them out in a meeting if they've done something spectacular for customer satisfaction or hit their production goals or hit their gross profit goals or whatever that might be. I always create pay plans that allow the employee to put pay raises in their own pocket, put it under their own control, because I don't want you willy-nilly randomly going out there and giving employee pay raises. We need to control those. But if we can tie an increased amount of money in their paycheck to increased business or increased gross profit, that's the number one incentive that I use. Some people will tie it to vacation time. They'll earn, an hour or half hour vacation time for every goal they hit. That means a lot to some of the younger folks today. Get creative with some of your incentives, but every shop out there should be using employee incentives to help motivate things. And don't always keep them the same. Be consistent with them. Be consistent with setting goals and recognizing goals that have been accomplished. But mix up the incentives sometimes. Mix them up once a year. Don't always change pay plans. Never change a pay plan more than once a year. But use employee incentives to drive your business forward and give employees what they need to grow. Look, smash that subscribe button. List ideas you have in the comments below. I'll respond to as many as I can. Keep up the great work and never, ever, ever stop learning.